Hi, my name is Savannah Lowe, and I will be describing the endocrine glands and their hormones and the functions of those hormones. So I drew a human body with the endocrine glands, and I will write my answers down to describe their hormones. So the glands of the endocrine system is the posterior and anterior pituitary gland, the thyroid and the parathyroid, the adrenal glands, which sit on top of the kidneys, and the pancreas. So the first gland is the anterior pituitary gland, and this houses several different hormones, which are TSH, which is the thyroid stimulating hormone. It is a tropic hormone and stimulates the thyroid gland to release the thyroid hormone. Then there is ACTH, which is the adrenocorticotropic hormone, and this stimulates the adrenal cortex to release corticosteroid hormones. Then there's FSH, which stimulates gamete production. And then there is LH, which is the luteinizing hormone, and this promotes production of estrogen and testosterone. The second gland is the posterior pituitary gland, and this houses ADH and oxytocin. ADH it stands for antidiuretic hormone, which regulates water balance in the body. Oxytocin is a hormone that controls sexual and social behaviors in females and males. The third gland is the thyroid gland, and the thyroid gland houses the thyroid gland hormones, and those are trithyronin, which is T3, thyroxine, which is T4, and calcitonin. Thyroxine is the hormone secreted into the bloodstream by the thyroid. Once in the bloodstream, it travels to organs where it is converted into its active form, which is trithyronin. Trithyronin is a hormone from the thyroid gland that controls body metabolism. And lastly is calcitonin, which reduces calcium in the blood. The next gland is the parathyroid gland, and this releases the parathyroid hormone, which helps regulate calcium in the body. The next gland is the pancreas, and this houses two hormones, which is gastrin and glucagon. Gastrin is a hormone that aids digestion by producing stomach acids. Glucagon helps insulin maintain normal glucose levels. The next gland is the adrenal gland, and this houses three hormones, which is aldosterone, adrenaline, and cortisol. Aldosterone is essential for sodium conservation in the kidneys, salivary glands, and sweat glands. It also helps regulate blood pressure. Adrenaline is a neurotransmitter that is involved in regulating visceral functions. Last is cortisol, which is a steroid hormone that, when triggered, decreases immune system's response to disease and pain. So